Hello everyone. So let's start with the landing. Welcome to the Italy, to the international airport of Roma, also known as Fiumicino Airport. So after embarking from the aeroplane, you need to only follow the exit sign. In Italia, it is written as Uscita. So just follow Uscita and exit sign. Now we arrive at the immigration line. You can see there are different categories of passport. One is for our passport holders, one is for the Italian nationals, and some line is for American and other countries. So you need to follow your relevant category. So you need to wait for your turn. Just keep in line and follow the other persons that are ahead of you. We have done with the immigration. Now next move to the baggage collection. You will see after the immigration there are different belts. So on the each belt the name of flight is written, and moreover there is also a generic board. On this board you can find the name of the each airline and their corresponding belt where you can find your baggage. After the baggage collection you need to exit from the building and you need to move to this big door where you can see in the green it is written nothing to declare, and you can also see some custom stuff. So you need to exit from here. After this you need to follow these boards in yellow. You can see there is also official taxi land, there is also direction for the train service, there is also direction for the buses. So you need to follow the exit and buses direction. So you can see here we exit from the baggage lounge and now we are going to exit from this building. So just from the exit you will see the door, and on the door you will see also the signs of buses and taxis. So we need to exit from this door, and after exit from this door we just need to move to the right side. It is very easy. Just after exit from the door, from this door you just need to move to the right side, to the right hand side. You just need to remember only this one thing, that after the exit from this door just move to the right side. So after the exit from the main building from terminal 3 we take the right turn, and then we just need to move forward in the one direction. You just need to go straight. There is no other direction. Just go straight and you will find the buses. You just need to walk around 2 minutes and you will find the buses of your relevant city. For example, Napoli, Caserta, Salerno, Pescara, Roma Termini. For the Roma Termini you can also find the taxis, you can also find the buses, you can also find the trains. So there is no other direction. After exit from the building you just need to go straight, and in 1 and 2 minutes you will get the bus. As you can see, I am just going straight. There is no other direction. I am not moving left or right. After exit from the building, I took the right turn on the right hand side and then I just walked straight. So you can see there are also other scenes. There are also other signs that you can remember. But one main thing is that you just need to go straight, and after a walk of 2 minutes you will find the place for buses. Just keep walking straight in the straight direction, no other direction. You can also see these yellow signboards. They will also give you guidance. Now on the next you can see that the number of platforms or the stations are written. So you can see 13 to 15. So you just need to follow this direction sign. and now you can see that different stations are appear. Here you can see the schedule, the number, the name of the station and the city, and also the bus name. So you can find the schedule here, and then you need to find your station. So you can see 5 on each station. There is also a separate screen. On the screen you can see the name of the bus, the destination and the time of departure. So it is very easy to find a bus after arriving at the Fiumicino Roma airport. So you can see 6, then station 7, then station 8 and 9. So on the each station there is a schedule. You can see this screen, you can see the name of city where you need to go and the bus where that you need to take. So for example, we if we want to go to Napoli, so you can see on number 9 on the screen board there is written as Napoli, and the bus name is FCO, which is Fiumicino Express. It is departure at 8:30. So after some time you will also see that the Fiumicino bus is arriving. So as you can see that the bus is coming, and for Napoli you need to take this bus.